So if you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. So if you are using an Android mobile, you will go to the Play Store and right there Zoom. And if you are using an iPhone mobile, you will go to the Apple Store and right there Zoom. You will find different option, but you will select Zoom Cloud Meetings. It will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, you will enter into the application, open it. Here you will find three different options: join a meeting, sign up, and sign in. If you already have account, you will go to the sign in option, but if you are new or first time user, you will click on sign up option. So I will click on sign up option. After clicking on sign up option, it will ask for my birth confirmation. Here you will select month, date, and the year when you were born. After selecting this, you will confirm. Once you have selected your birth dates, you will click on confirm. It will take you to the another page. Here you will find a sign up option. Here you will put your email address, your first name. For example, here I will put Mark as my first name, and my last name will be Wood. So Mark Wood will be my complete name. So I will click on, and then I will click on sign up option. Then you will receive an email from Zoom on your previous email you have mentioned in the sign up option. After receiving the Zoom email, here you will find two options. First is activate account. I'm clicking on activate account. Now it's opening in another browser. Here you will find two options. It will ask, are you signing up on behalf of a school or no? So if you are a university or school student, and if you have any university or school email, you can choose a yes option. You can go with the yes option. But if you are a school or college student and you don't have any email ID from your institution, so I will click on no option. Then I will click on continue. Here it will ask me again for the password. Make your password of at least 8 characters, have at least one letters like ABC, have at least one number like 1 2 3 4, include both upper and lowercase characters. So it will make your password a bit stronger. Here you will confirm your password and you will click on the continue option. Here there is option of invitation of your colleagues. So you can add your colleagues or anyone who you want to invite for the meeting, or you can just skip this step. So I will click on skip this step. You're almost done with your Zoom account. You have to go to the Zoom application again. So now you can click on sign up option. In sign up option, it will ask for your email address and for the password you have previously entered in the account activation. So I will put my password here and click on sign in option. Now here you can find different options: new meeting, join meeting, schedule, or share screen options. So if now I want to join a meeting, I will simply click on join, paste here a meeting ID and click on join. So it will take you to the conference. So if you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.